How to change delivery address on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can change our delivery address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Changing our delivery address on Amazon is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is open the Amazon application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you make sure that you are logged in, you're going to be able to see this type of interface here, right? Where you just have to tap this little account like icon that you can find here. Once you tap on this account like icon, you'll find this option that says your account. So tap on the your account button, and when you go to your account, just scroll and then look for the option called your addresses. And once you find your addresses, just tap on it. Now once you've done that, you can simply add a new address to edit the current one, because you can't currently edit it as long as it is a default address. So I'll tap on add a new address. Make sure to enter your new address, then tap on whether you want to make this your default address. You can select that. Then you can see the delivery instructions. If you want to add some extra delivery instructions, then you can tap on add address, and that will be set as your delivery address. This way you can change the delivery address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.